let me create a new folder on desktop. Type AltPlace255 or AltPlace0160 using keyboard to rename the folder. Right click on the folder and select Properties. Click on Customize. Click on Change icon. Scroll to right side and click on the empty space. Click OK. And again click on OK. Here you can't find your folder unless you point on it or whenever you refresh. If you want to change the icon, just move towards the Properties. Click on Customize. Click on Change icon. You can select any icon you want. I am selecting this icon. Click OK. Now the folder is visible. Click on the folder and press function key F2 to rename. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribe the channel. Hit like button if you like this video.